So ransomware has become a major concern this year. And why is that? What is next? And how can we prevent it?
So the number of ransomware attacks is on rise because of financial incentive to malicious actors and other actors too, by the way. There are many organizations admitting that it happened or it can happen to them, which is good. They need to understand where the risk is high for the business and optimize the mitigation process by enabling automated vulnerability monitoring, of course. However, as we see in Sansa survey, for example, just last week, some organizations didn't want to talk about because of the internal policies, and it makes harder to study the new patterns of the attacks and how they phase it. We see some attacks starting by attacking phone, laptops, and other personal devices. One of our customers had a rat brought by a contractor connected to organization Wi-Fi. When it connected to organization network, it spread it there. So once it's spread it, the network is discovered by a malicious actor, and then we can see in about a week to even a month's periods that this network been trying to penetrate it by some other attacks in order to install and make the ransom attack in these facilities. So once we detect this kind of malicious software inside the network, we act immediately and mitigate it. So it's a common practice we do with our customers.